Texas is too humid to dance in pretty clothes. Oh, I gotta go. I gotta get this done. Hey everybody, thanks for coming to dance with me. I'm Laura and today we're gonna learn Hitchhikers, which is a super fun bouncy move. You can do it at a variety of tempos. I don't know any history about it, so it's just gonna be a vocabulary lesson today. If you know history about the hitchhiker, let me know. I'll put it in the comments. Stuff you're gonna learn in this video: hitchhiker movement, styling, and how to get in and out of hitchhikers from basic Charleston. Before we get into it, big thank you to the people of Patreon for helping to keep these videos free for everyone in the world, including people like you. It's a voluntary subscription service, and if you want to join them, links in the description. All right, let's get into it. We're gonna build up Hitchhikers through what I consider its component parts over the duration of a song. So just dance along. To me, the legs feel a lot like 20s Charleston, so we're gonna start with that kind of feeling. Here we go.
Somebody loves me, I wonder who he can be. Somebody loves me, I wish I knew who he can be. Worries me. For every guy who passes by, I shout, hey, maybe you were meant to be my loving baby. Somebody loves me, I wonder who. Maybe it's you.
There we go. Now let's talk about a couple of details and some transitions. First, to transition into the walks. I think the easiest way is to just rock step. In slow motion, we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rock step. Walk, walk, clap, clap, clap. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rock step. Walk, walk, a clap, clap, clap. Now let's talk about adding that pep in your step. In slow motion, we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump and walk, walk, clap, clap, clap. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump, a walk, walk, clap, clap, clap. It's basically the same step. In both, you rock step slash jump with the left foot, and your first walk is also with the left foot. If the mechanics of the jump are tricky, just say the rhythm while you do it and do it a bunch. It will happen. Another tricky thing about Hitchhikers is returning to the movement after that clap. I find it helpful to give myself a good prep to get my weight on my left foot so I can lift my right foot on 8. So I gather on 7, and that makes me ready to go. And finally, one last point. This move is called Hitchhikers, so a frequent styling of this move would be the thumbs. Although to me it looks less like hitchhiking and more like me, 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 me. I don't always do the thumbs. A lot of times I pump my arms. You should do what feels good to you. Now, full disclaimer, I don't really remember when I learned the hitchhiker. It's possibly that only this part is the hitchhiker and then the walking forward is a totally separate thing, but they are frequently done together, so I figured I'd give them to you together. Vernacular jazz. You learn it visually. You don't even know the names sometimes. Very hard to pin down sometimes, at least for me. All right, if you feel comfortable with that, we're going to transition in and out of basic Charleston. Start with 2 basic Charlestons, then do a hitchhiker, which is 2 8 counts long, then back into 2 basic Charlestons. Tricky part of that transition can be that the basic Charleston has a kick on 1, and the hitchhikers has that kick on 8. I make up that difference by having a little bit of a jump on count 7. If you want more time and more explanation on that, I have a whole video just talking about making up that time difference between odd moves and even moves. It's linked in the description. And there you have it. I hope you moved your body and had some fun. If you did, hit like and subscribe to the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed the music, it's the Brooks Promo Orchestra, and you can find a link to purchase of that music in the description. And half of the money that I get from this YouTube channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic artists and art, because Lindy hops a black dance, and that's super important. And the best way to learn how to do all this is to dance.